SCA Forest and Timber AB's Munksund Sawmill is located near Piteå in northern Sweden, just 150 kilometers south of the Arctic Circle, and has the enviable distinction of having been in business almost 300 years. In the 1930s, over 165,000 cubic meters were sawn annually with brand new frame saws. During this boom period, Munksund was one of the largest sawmills in Europe, employing almost 700. The comprehensive upgrading project of Munksund Sawmill began in the summer of 1998, with the modernization of log sorting and debarker equipment. The new sorting system measures all logs with a 3D true shape scanner, which indicates the log diameter, shape and curve. Logs are sorted into 50 different classes according to their diameter and quality. This level of sortation enables unsurpassed flexibility in choosing the most suitable raw material for special products. The annual production of the 1999 renovated sawmill has doubled to 265,000 cubic meters. HewSaw SL250TRIO. The HewSaw SL250TRIO sawing line saws 100 to 400 mm top diameter logs and consists of three main units: the cant chipper, the cant saw and the rip saw. There are two parallel trio sawing lines in Munksund. The advantages of having two systems are increased capacity and a more even load on board grading and sorting. The trio's infeed and chipper motors are equipped with frequency converters, so feed speeds and chip lengths can be adjusted steplessly. The maximum line speed is 90 meters per minute. The 3D scanner measures the log. Then the log positioner rotates it into the optimal sawing position and feeds it to the cant chipper. The four faces of the log are chipped into first-class chips and the surface remains smooth. Due to the shape of the cant, further processing is easy and accurate. The measuring conveyor transports the cant accurately through the profile scanner, which measures it for the optimizing in the next phases. Information about the board's width and position is transmitted to the PLC immediately after measuring and calculation. The HewSaw R250 Canter saws and edges up to two boards on both sides of the cant. Separating the chipping and sawing processes into two separate units optimizes both recovery and board accuracy. The EK2 separator conveyor separates two boards on the transfer deck. The cant is then tipped, centered and fed into the rip saw. The HewSaw R250 rip saw cuts the cant into boards. Two boards on each side can be edged in line, and the resulting chip and surface quality is excellent. The HewSaw EK3 takes the boards into the transfer deck. The center pieces are transported downstream for sorting. After sawing, the boards are sorted into two modern automatic board sorting and grading systems, which carefully handle the boards. Special attention to product handling helps avoid breaking and any quality degrading. The sawmill's drying capacity has increased as well. All sawn volume is dried, and some 80,000 cubic meters are dried especially dry to be used in window, door, furniture and floor manufacturing. Why did SCA Forest and Timber choose HewSaw? High recovery, achieved by atomization. High degree of utilization with two parallel lines. Flexible sawing programs. Handles both small and large logs. HewSaw's patented edging techniques provide the best quality chips and accurate sawn goods. Vasto's history of reliable project management. HewSaw technology is the most advanced in the industry.